In example 1, we're going to find the end behavior for the rational function parent function. My goodness, that's a little bit wordy. Well, the parent function is f of x is equal to 1 over x. And you can use a calculator, I suppose, to help you with this, but in a previous learning target, previous video, we went over how to graph this one. Oops, that needs to be closer right there. So we're going to continue this side. We're going to continue all the way, but not up to that line. It's going to get really, really close. Then we've got this other side here, and that one's going to look. It's going to have the same shape. As a matter of fact, it has symmetry about the origin, and also the line y is equal to x. And we'll continue this over here to the left. There we go. All right, so we want to do the end behavior. I like to write my end behavior here first, and this is going to be the left side. As x approaches negative infinity, we're wondering what does y do? And on the right-hand side, as x approaches infinity, we're wondering where does y go? Graphically, let's do the first one here. As we go all the way to the left, the graph continues to get closer and closer and closer to a y value of 0. Remember, even though it never exactly gets there, we're wondering what does it approach. And you can make this function get very close to 0. The larger negative value of x here, it's going to be 1 over a very big number, which is very close to 0. So you can make the graph get arbitrarily close to 0, the bigger value of x that you have. And again, this is what we're approaching, not exactly equal to, but what value are we getting close to. The right end behavior, so we're going to imagine if we went all the way to the right-hand side here, the graph would get very close to a y value of 0 again. So for the parent function, for the rational functions, f of x is equal to 1 over x, or y is equal to 1 over x. The end behavior can simply be stated as follows. The left end behavior, as x approaches negative infinity, y approaches 0. And the right end behavior, as x approaches infinity, y also approaches 0.